In this video, guys, I'll be telling you how to install BeautifulSoup in with Python. So, guys, before starting, make sure that the Python is installed on your PC, as well as the pip is also installed on your PC, guys. Now, if you don't know, if you don't have the pip and the Python on your PC, guys, just watch the guide on my video or on my channel. How can you install these both programs. And now if you want to install the BeautifulSoup, just open the CMD, and now we are going to use pip for installing the BeautifulSoup and version 4. So search for, just enter the command is pip, just enter this command, pip install BeautifulSoup 4. Just enter this command, guys, and just enter now. And if you want to make sure that if your pip is not working, make sure, guys, you add the script directly into your system variable. So now says that. So yeah, this is how basically you install the BeautifulSoup on your Windows, on your laptop or computer, whatever you have. So yeah, this is how you can, guys, do it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.